Hello, everybody. Welcome back to SV Handmaids. So, this is a 16-inch space gray MacBook Pro, and its specifications include its LED backlit display, 3072 by 1920 pixels, 6 core Intel Core i7, touch bar and touch ID is a specialty of this, and a full size backlit Magic keyboard. So let's reveal our beautiful MacBook Pro. Let's see what's in here. So we have the charger cable here. I love this neat packaging. And here we have a few details about the MacBook and also the stickers inside. And we have the power adapter. Let's take out our Apple stickers from this. Okay, let me put them back inside. We'll keep it aside for now. Wow, my beautiful MacBook Pro. I'm so excited to use this. It's very sleek. We have 4 ports here. So it automatically turns on when I open the screen. Let's remove this. Let's quickly go through the setup process here, setting up my Wi-Fi. It's very simple and easy, not so hard. And here we set up my Siri. So now our touch ID of my MacBook is ready. We have a touchpad. And that's the menu on the home screen. This is how it looks. I'm loving this screen here and all the easy access icons on the taskbar here. And that's the touchpad. So this touchpad has pretty much everything. Whatever you do on the screen, we have the cancel or close button, the smileys, everything is accessible from the touchpad. So let me play my channel on my MacBook first. I'm so excited. Hello everybody, welcome back to SV Handmaids. This is Shiba here. So I'm loving the speakers of my MacBook. Such a beautiful sound. Silk thread jewelry, and that's the braiding technique. We are going to glue down our braid on top of this. So make sure do you hear that sound? It is not from not the voiceover. It's actually from the speakers. How vibrant and loud it is. Just a few seconds is enough, and then you have to flatten your threads as much as possible. So the more flat it is, the more shinier your finish will look. So you also need this accessory to be used with the MacBook Pro. So this is from Dodo Cool. It's a MacBook Pro adapter. It has the slots for your Thunderbolt, USB ports, SD card reader, HDMI port. This is definitely needed. And this two pins go into the MacBook, and you can connect your regular USB into this. Hope this gives you an insight if you're having any plans to purchase. Thank you for watching. Bye.